Our journey begins thousands of years ago, in ancient civilizations such as Egypt and Mesopotamia. Here, the concept of time was marked by the movement of celestial bodies, the rise and set of the sun, the waxing and waning of the moon. To track these events, early societies turned to the natural world, creating rudimentary devices like sundials and water clocks. Sundials, one of the oldest known timekeeping devices, were a simple and effective way to mark the passage of time using the position of the sun. Water clocks, or clepsydra, were another ingenious invention of these ancient civilizations. They measured time based on the regulated flow of liquid into or out of a vessel. These early inventions were more than just tools. They were the foundation of our understanding of time, the first steps in a journey that would lead to the intricate timekeeping devices we rely on today. These early inventions paved the way for more advanced methods of time measurement. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, where skilled craftsmen and inventors in Europe began experimenting with gears, springs, and weights. A new era in timekeeping was on the horizon, one that would change our perception of time forever. In the midst of this innovative era, a standout figure emerged, the renowned Islamic engineer Al-Jazari. His genius led to the creation of one of the earliest known mechanical clocks in the 13th century. This clock was a marvel of its time, powered by water and intricate gear systems. Al-Jazari's clock was not merely a timekeeping device, it was a testament to human ingenuity, a testament to the potential of what hands and minds could create. It was a monumental achievement in engineering that showcased the burgeoning capabilities of mechanical timekeeping. These early clocks, intricate and yet so effective, were the stepping stones to the future. These early clocks laid the groundwork for future advancements in timekeeping. The Renaissance period witnessed a surge in clockmaking innovation. During this epoch of heightened creativity and scientific curiosity, two figures loomed large. Galileo Galilei, the Italian polymath, observed the regular motion of a swinging cathedral lamp and conceptualized the pendulum. His work set the stage for a revolution in timekeeping, though he never built a working model of his theoretical pendulum clock. Enter Christian Huygens, a Dutch mathematician and scientist. Inspired by Galileo's work, Huygens successfully designed and constructed the first accurate pendulum clock in the mid-17th century. His brilliant invention, with its steady tick-tock, tick-tock, brought a newfound precision to time measurement that was previously unattainable. These developments marked significant strides in the accuracy and reliability of timekeeping. The pendulum clock, with its rhythmic swing and reliable accuracy, became a symbol of the scientific revolution that characterized the Renaissance era. It was indeed a golden age of innovation, a time when the ticking of a clock could be heard in chambers of learning across Europe. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in clockmaking history. This era brought about a seismic shift in the production of clocks, thanks to advancements in metallurgy and the advent of mass production techniques. For the first time, reliable and accurate timekeeping devices were no longer exclusive to the affluent. Clocks became affordable, and as a result they made their way into homes, schools, and factories, transforming the rhythm of daily life. A significant development during this period was the railway clock. With the rapid expansion of railroads, precise timekeeping became vital for coordinating train schedules and ensuring safe travel. These railway clocks were the unsung heroes of the Industrial Revolution, keeping the world on time and on track. In essence, the Industrial Revolution didn't just revolutionize industries, it democratized access to accurate timekeeping, making it an integral part of everyday life. The humble clock, once a luxury, had now become a necessity, ticking away in every corner of society. In the modern era, clocks have evolved from mechanical marvels to electronic and digital wonders. The 20th century saw a revolution in timekeeping that was as profound as it was unexpected. The invention of quartz crystal oscillators marked a turning point in the history of clocks. These oscillators, due to their unique properties, vibrate at a precise frequency when voltage is applied. This frequency, as steady as a heartbeat, provides an incredibly accurate measure of time. The result was a leap in timekeeping precision that was unprecedented. Suddenly, clocks weren't just about gears and springs, they were about electricity, vibrations, and crystals. This revolution led to the birth of quartz clocks and watches, which are now ubiquitous in our daily lives. From our wristwatches to the clocks in our smartphones, quartz technology is everywhere. The discovery of quartz crystal oscillators marked yet another milestone in the fascinating journey of clocks. The story of timekeeping continues to evolve, driven by human ingenuity and the relentless march of progress. From ancient sundials to atomic clocks, the history of timekeeping is a testament to human ingenuity and innovation. We've journeyed through the annals of time, from the rudimentary timekeeping devices of ancient civilizations to the mechanical marvels of the Middle Ages. We've seen the birth of the pendulum clock in the Renaissance era and the mass production of timepieces during the Industrial Revolution, and we've witnessed the quartz revolution of the modern era, where electronic and digital clocks have become ubiquitous. We've seen how the sands of time have shifted, and with them, our methods of measuring its passage. Each era brought with it new advancements, new inventions, new milestones, and each of these milestones was not just a leap in timekeeping technology, but a reflection of the society and culture of the time. The discovery of clocks has had a profound impact on our daily lives. We schedule our days around the ticking hands of a clock, our routines dictated by its relentless march. But the influence of timekeeping extends beyond our personal lives. It has revolutionized fields such as science and navigation, allowing us to measure the world around us with unprecedented precision. It has facilitated industry, coordinating the intricate ballet of production lines and supply chains. But perhaps more than anything, the history of clocks is a testament to our innate desire to understand and control our surroundings. It's a story of our relentless pursuit of accuracy, of our quest to tame the fleeting moments and make them count. It's a story of how we, as a species, have strived to make sense of the world, one tick at a time. As we marvel at the precision of our modern timepieces, let us remember the remarkable journey that brought us here. The centuries of innovation, the countless hours of craftsmanship, the myriad moments captured in the ticking of a clock. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the fascinating history of how clocks were discovered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep on ticking.